In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Canva newsletter in Mailchimp. So first, of course, head over to canva.com and start creating your newsletter. Choose an email newsletter template from available Canva designs. And inside the design editor page, start customizing your text, images, and branding, and make sure everything looks exactly how you want it. And when you're done, click on the share button at the top right. Then here, look for MailChimp. But if you don't see it, in the left menu, click on Apps. And here, look for MailChimp. So click on MailChimp, then press the open button. So here, you basically need to connect your MailChimp account. So first is select the page that you would like to sync with MailChimp and click on Connect to MailChimp. Once again, click on the Connect button. And here you will be prompted to log into your MailChimp account and, of course, authorize access to the app. So, to give authorization, press Allow. And once done, you'll see an option here to publish this newsletter design to your account. So, click here to publish this to your MailChimp account. Of course, select the right account and press Share to MailChimp. And from there, you can view this design template to MailChimp and use this for your campaign. Simply press continue in MailChimp to view it there. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!